Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Zelle to send and receive money instantly, follow these step-by-step instructions for a complete registration and setup process. Step 1. Check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle directly in their mobile banking app. Many major banks have Zelle integrated, so you may not need a separate Zelle app. Step 2. If your bank offers Zelle in their app, open your bank's mobile banking app and log in with your usual banking credentials. Step 3. Look for the Zelle option in your banking app menu. It is usually found under Payments, Send Money, or Transfer sections. Step 4. If your bank does not offer Zelle, download the standalone Zelle app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Step 5. Open the Zelle app and tap. Get started to begin registration. You will need to provide your email address or mobile phone number. Step 6. Enter your debit card information to link it to Zelle. Make sure you use a debit card from a U.S. bank that is associated with your checking account. Step 7. Verify your email address or phone number by entering the code that Zelle sends you via email or text message. Step 8. Complete your profile by providing your name and address as they appear on your bank account. Accept the terms and conditions to finish the setup. Your Zelle account is now active and you can start sending and receiving money instantly with other Zelle users using just an email or phone number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.